When it comes to electric radiators, size matters. Too small and you risk underheating your space, which isn't ideal. Not to worry, we've got you covered. Choosing the right size is relative to the space you're trying to heat. The good thing is electric radiators come with their own wattages and heat up to areas. This makes the choice much easier for you. All you need are your room measurements. For example, for mid-sized rooms, you might want something like the 1000 watt IQ ceramic, a radiator capable of heating areas of up to 11 meters squared. If you measure your room and you find yourself stuck between two sizes, it's always best to go for the option with the higher wattage for better efficiency. Now, if you're not one for crunching numbers, there is an alternative. The Electric Radiators Direct wattage calculator does all the work for you. Just click the link in the description and simply answer a couple of quick questions about your room size and insulation. Then the calculator will direct you to the most suitable options available.